Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers have practically built themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Mervin. Welcome to today's show. Today we are headed over to Dave Knopfsinger's house. You guys remember Dave, he's the one with the Chevy Nova that we got out of Idaho a few years ago during COVID. And he's been working on getting this thing restored, rebuilt. He's not going with the stock rebuild by any means, but it's more of a mild custom. Really coming along well. And we're going to take a look at the progress. We do this about every 6 months to see where he's at, and he's getting close. He's getting close to starting this thing. He's getting close to being able to drive this thing to the shop to get the rest of the body work done. So stick with Mad Dog Merv as we go look at Dave's yellow Nova. So for those of you who are new or don't remember, Dave Knopfsinger and I went to high school together. We've known each other since our freshman year. He wound up with a 72 Nova that used to be his mom's, and there I am with my 72 Comet at the time this picture was taken. Dave, out of high school, this is about 84, had a 71 Nova, so he definitely established that he liked those. And well, we used to have a lot of fun partying over the years. Couple of real characters, but we've maintained a good friendship. As of 2010, Dave had, as you can see, all those Novas, and he's quite the Chevy guy. This is how this car looked about a year ago. He had taken the front end off, he had done some of the work to the firewall, and then put in a whole new K-member, new disc brakes, the whole power, everything, along with this 396 engine. And that's where we pick up. Okay, so here we are, and looking at the Nova, it's been moved back to, well, what's probably going to be its permanent spot. Instead of taking up the entire garage here, now it's got its own little area. The doors are off so that the jambs can get painted and the rust repair can be done. The wiring, and we'll kind of show you some stuff here in a bit, but the wiring is in. Just have a few little gremlins to work out with that, but engine's in, ready to go. We'll look at some of the other things that he's got here ready to go, so stick with us as we take a look at the progress on the Nova. So last year he did get the floor pans welded in. You can see now they've been coated with some of that Eastwood coating. This interior is looking really good. He's just got to get the carpet in. Does have a little adjustment to make to the shifter, though, to make it the way he wants it. And then you can see these nice tires and wheels that he got for it. I love the Cooper Cobras. I think this is a great look for this car. Here's the 396. Yep, beautiful rebuilt, performance-built 396. And man, does it look good in there. Power brake booster, new brake cylinder for those four-wheel discs, chrome alternator, there you go. And I like the way he's got these, the plug separators on that. Looks really good, or the wire separators, I should say. Now he's going with a Edelbrock. It's a 600 CFM. I don't think it's going to be enough for this car, though. I love the hood. He decided to go with this. There's going to be some yellow graphics on it when he gets it finished. I think that's going to look great. And this steering wheel, I think, was a very good choice as well. So just to remind you guys that Dave actually did the seats himself. He did the reupholstering himself, which is pretty monumental, and I think he did a great job with them. The back seat is out in the storage shed, along with the other seat for right now, nice and safe and sound. He does have the carpet for it, but still have a few little things to finish up back here before we get the carpet in. but the console from year one and the gauges, the 4-speed. He did clean up the foot pedals. We'll take a closer look at those in a minute, but did a great job of cleaning up the stock ones that were in it. And the steering wheel, we'll take another look at that here in a minute. So anyway, it's coming along. The dash is painted, the door jambs look really good. We're not too far away from having this thing started and running, and then it'll be time to go in for body and paint with these rear quarters needing the work. But the hood looks fabulous on there. We'll take a look at the 396. You guys are going to like this.
Now, coming around to the back end of the car, look at this exhaust. I love it. The first time I've seen that actually on a car, and I think it looks great. His redone trunk, again, looks great. Look at that spare tire. Man, nice and clean and beautiful. Wow. So here it is. It's looking pretty good. He's not too far from getting it started and running. So we'll update you guys again soon on this.